In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund a PayPal account. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can move money into your PayPal balance safely and confidently. Make sure you're already logged into your PayPal account before you begin and that you're on a secure, trusted device. Start by going to your main PayPal dashboard. This is usually called your account summary page. You can get there by opening your browser and typing in the PayPal website, then signing in with your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you should see your account overview, recent activity, and a snapshot of your balance. Next, scroll down the page until you see the section labeled PayPal Balance. This area shows how much money you currently have available to spend or send. Under that balance, look for the option that says Transfer Funds and click on it. This is where PayPal lets you move money in or out of your account. After you click Transfer Funds, PayPal will show you different transfer options. Here, you want to choose the option that says Add Funds to your balance. Go ahead and click on that. This tells PayPal that you want to move money from a financial account, like your bank, into your PayPal balance. If you haven't linked a bank account to PayPal yet, you'll need to do that now. On the Add Funds page, you should see a button or link that says Link a Bank. Click on that. PayPal will guide you through adding your bank details. Depending on your region, you might be able to log into your bank instantly through PayPal, or you may need to enter your account and routing numbers manually. Take your time here, double check the details, and only use a bank account that is in your name. Once you've entered your bank information, click Next to proceed. PayPal may show you a summary of the bank you're adding and ask you to confirm it. Review everything carefully, then continue. They may also send a code or make small deposits to your bank to verify ownership. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions. After your bank is linked and confirmed, come back to the Add Funds to your balance section, choose your linked bank, enter the amount you want to transfer, and continue until you see the final confirmation screen. That's it. Your transfer will be submitted